How to fix Instagram incorrect password problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure that you are using the correct login method and check that you are using the correct username and email and not your display name on Instagram. Next, if you're still not able to log in, then you can try to reset your Instagram password. So, open Instagram and you will be led to the login portal. Here, tap on the forget password option you see there, and then choose the email or SMS or username option, and then go ahead and create a new strong password. You can then wait and then try to log in again, and you will be logged in. Also, make sure that while entering your password, you are not entering extra spaces or caps lock, as passwords are case sensitive. So, make sure the caps lock is off and there's no spaces before or after password. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app further. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, tap on Instagram and then tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then you can try to completely delete Instagram from your device and then reinstall the app from your app store and then try to log in again, as doing this will refresh the app entirely. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram password incorrect problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.